Hey guys, Sheila here from Mediavandals. It is Friday evening. It is 4:11 p.m. and we're just wrapping up for the weekend. And I need to get my 100-day video out. So today's video is going to be about smart people and what makes smart people so darn smart. How can you find success? Oh, hey, Bailey. Just wrapping up for the week, wrapping up my so why have I found so much success? Stick around because after you see the Mediavandals, pew pew. And today's video is going to be about smart people. What makes smart people so darn smart? What makes some people appear to be smart until you take a closer look? How you can find success, and what is it about successful business people that, you know, they appear to be super smart, and sometimes when you take a closer look you find it. And let me let you in, and I'm gonna let you in on a little. I'm not that smart. It's been my experience throughout life that people are consistently passing off tasks to me with the premise that you're smart, or that's your thing, or you're good at it, so I'm going to pass it off to you. But here's the little secret to my life. I wasn't born with all of this knowledge. I don't actually think I'm all that smart. Can't cure cancer. I don't know how to fix a car engine, but you put me in front of a computer and I can do your marketing, or I can build your website, or I can figure out some sort of problem-solving requirement. In fact, I can guarantee you that all smart people in the world were not born with a vast array of knowledge. I wasn't born knowing how to build a website or create a Facebook ad. I wasn't born knowing how to ride a bike or how to shoot this video right now. All these things were things that I learned throughout my life because I was interested in them and I was committed to learning them. Everything I know in business is because I was self-taught. It's not something I learned in school. School taught me the basics of web design when web design was HTML. Everything I have learned since then has been self-taught through courses or research, or just seeing something cool and wanting to learn how it worked. So I went and figured it out. And the reason why I've had the success that I've had is because I spent time seeking out the answers and I committed to learning those things. Now, committing to learning things has been something that has interested me all my life. I've always loved school. I've always loved learning. I have made it a lifelong commitment to learn. And if I showed you the floor right beside me, you would see a giant stack of books. I read constantly. I look for answers online constantly. I never stop learning. Sir Richard Branson is famous for the following quote, which I have right here, and I'm going to read it to you. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. While in business, you shouldn't say yes to every single opportunity that presents itself. I am a very firm believer that if it is something you are interested in, absolutely you should say yes and learn how to do it. And that is what I have done most of my life. While I didn't always run a business, I did want to learn how to do things. So I would say yes to the opportunities, and then I would commit to learning how to do that, because you can never have too much knowledge. Knowledge opens up almost all the doors in life. My advice, the two most important things that you need in business is, one, a desire to learn, and two, some sort of problem solving or critical thinking skills. I don't really believe that critical thinking can be learned. I believe there are people with technical brains and there are people with creative brains, and there are people with both. And the technical brains are critical thinking brains, and the creative brains are obviously creative. But problem solving skills can definitely be learned from the time you are a child, putting those blocks inside the shapes and making sure they fit, to the time you are retired and in an old age home. If you continue to exercise your problem solving skills and exercise that part of your brain, you will continue to learn and grow. I believe you can do anything you want in life as long as you make a commitment to learning how to do it. And with that said, I am going to leave you with the question. So what are you going to learn how to do today? Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave me a comment down below of what you plan on learning how to do today. Do you want to learn something through a book? Do you want to learn how to put something together? Do you want to learn how to paint? Whatever it is, big or small, leave me a comment. I'm interested in hearing. With that said, everyone have a fantastic weekend. We will see you back here for business on Monday. Cheers. Heck, I'm full of useless trivia in my brain. If you know me, you know I love useless movie trivia. It has no purpose in life. It serves no purpose in my life, but I will always be quick to tell somebody some piece of trivia surrounding whatever we are talking about, and it always puts a smile on people's faces. Same with music quotes. I am so full of a vast array of different musics, and anytime Brandon has any comment about anything, I will respond with a song lyric and tell him there is a song for that, because there is literally a song for everything. I'm not that smart. That's right. I said that. I'm not that smart.